Hello.
Hi, Lume.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
I
Ovisa.
started.
Who said that?
I've
Sorry.
started.
Pranav, you started? Okay. Who wants to share and show so that you can get some feedback? Okay, Ovisa, share. Nice. Hmm. Okay, so is your mic working, Ovisa? No, okay. That's okay. Okay, maybe you can try and explain. Hi, Sudhendra. No worries, Asna. So today we are going to go through each one's um, projects, the Power BI files that you have created, and I'll give you some feedback. And then I'll cover some AI visuals which you can include um, in your reports, okay, in your presentations. Yes, Sudhendra, you can show after that. Um, okay, so Ovisa, do you want to maybe just go into each one of them from the bookmarks? So you have this home, yeah, and then okay, you can cancel that, yeah, okay. And okay, so this comes up when you are using bookmarks, work back, sign into Hans collaboration. I think because you are I think that comes up with the bookmark, right? So okay, you can cancel that, not a problem. Yeah. Okay, so you have clicked on, oh, okay. Mm, Zero price. Counter Strike free to play. Okay. Strike 2. So it is on Counter Strike 2. That's why. Okay. That's the rank one. Okay. Yeah. Counter Strike 2. Okay. Okay. Now I get it. I think it comes as many times as as many number of bookmarks you have. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Guru. That's what we are doing now. Okay. Yeah. Good. So you are okay to explain um, that, Ovisa, right? Okay, so did you do any tooltip page? Where did you associate that tooltip page with? Uh, which one? Ah, yes, nice. Very good. Yeah, that's good. That's nice. Okay. Yeah, okay. What about you need to include on page one, you need to include something called a title, right? So just include a title. I know you have included in the home page, you have included top 100 Steam games. Maybe you have to include some kind of a title, okay? Yeah, maybe after class, maybe I'll show you um, how you can include your title because it will be something custom title. So we need to do something called a dynamic title. Okay, so let's work on it after class, or if there is time, or maybe tomorrow or day after we'll work on it. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. Okay. Okay, so Visa is doing good. Okay, next one, who wants to share? Who wanted to share? Sudhendra, do you want to share? Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, I can see. Yes, yes. Very good. Yeah. Cyber security. Novatech. Okay. Yeah. Do you want to explain, Sudhendra, what you have done, how you are going to present?
Can I just show you and have some feedback?
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Amma has it. Baglo Petisa. Okay, this is my home page,
Hmm.
and then this is my navigation page. And once I
Okay.
click on this, it goes to this page. And
Yeah.
how do I do the map? It wouldn't work.
Yeah. For map, I think you need to. What does it say? May
It
Can you
says
read that?
visual.
Are not as a enabled. Okay, don't worry about that. Once, if you when you are presenting, what we can do is, if you can send me the Power BI files, what I'll do is I'll publish them on the in the service. Then you will be able to talk about it. Okay, so
Okay.
don't worry about that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, do you want to explain how are you going to explain? It is looking good, but how are you going to explain?
Uh, I'm not sure. I have to do that. I just
Yeah, yeah.
wanted some feedback.
Okay, so I think pie chart, using pie chart number of employees by department, that's good. Overall employees are 1500. Average age of the employees, very good. Average salary, okay. Okay, what I would suggest is looking good. Maybe, okay, click on gender, let's say male or female, yeah, whatever. So it's interactive, right?
Yeah.
So maybe instead of having gender in the center, maybe use it like a slicer. I have covered slicers in the last class, right?
Yes.
So I'll show you. Just yeah, highlight that and then click on the slicer. Where is slicer? Yeah, that one. Yeah, yeah, and then change the colors and format it. Now, if you click on M or F, then you will see others changing. See, like that. So that you can so that you have used the feature of slicer. Okay, and then maybe you can include one of the visuals that I tell you today in that space. Okay, and
Yeah.
also create either left side or right side. You create the space for slicers. Okay, and can
Okay.
you go to the data set? I just want to see what else is available. Age, gender, employment type. Yeah, you can have employment type also as a slicer, gender as a slicer. So, okay, can you go back to your visual? Not base salary. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, you can use gender and also, um, oh, Ria, you are not able to hear me? Uh, You might want to log out and log back in.
It's working now. I can
It's
hear you
working?
now.
Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. That's good. Okay. So you can create slicers for um what do you call gender and what did I type employment type, okay? And this slicer that you have sorry, this one that you have what do you call selected, you can change that to, let's say, bar chart or column chart, and then change your in place of gender you can add year for that. um Sudhendra.
Higher
Yes,
ear.
higher year, yes. Higher
And
year,
then
only 2 years, is it? No, no, remove the gender. No, 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 no. What you do is in x-axis, remove gender. Yeah,
yes.
untick. Yeah, untick. Yeah, yeah. And then drag the higher year to x-axis,
Yeah.
and then number of employees. to y-axis.
Number, count
Oh.
of name.
Yeah, count of name, yes. So you can see, what's that? So yeah, each you have to format it so that you can see, because you have formatted the other charts, right? So you like that you have to format the font to white color, okay? Then you will
Okay.
see, and then you can order either by year. If you want to order by year, then you can turn that into a line chart so that you can see the trend.
Line
So that you can see the trend when employees were, which year employees were hired more, and then what was the trend, when was it down, that kind of stuff. Okay, that's a very good insight. Okay, yeah, so like that you can do that. And what else? Department. You can
What?
add department, gender, and office type also. You can add like a slicers, 3 slicers, make some space for them and then add it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good one. And did you add a tooltip?
I'm not sure how to do a tooltip.
Okay. Let's go through that. I covered it in the last class, but let's go through that after I look at everyone's this thing, and after today's class we can go through that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And what is in the sales one? So did you
Oh,
add a back?
I
Yeah, you
haven't
added a
done
back
that
button.
part.
You are
I
still
haven't.
working on it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It is looking good. Continue.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, that's good, Sudhendra. Um, okay. Who else wants to share? Satvik, Divya, Shreyas, Stuti. Stuti, have you selected a data set? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to share?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you send me the link? You go to Anna's book. Yeah, I
Oh,
just
number of
ate now.
movies.
That's my
Okay.
plate. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
So I've done only which email
These.
is that?
Yeah.
I've done movies by countries.
Uh,
So I've done this one
hmm.
and
A heat map.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, yeah, movies by countries is your title, right? Uh, and can you show me your data set?
Yeah.
We metadata, country number. Can you go into the data view on the left side, the second icon? Yeah. And okay, country, number of movies. Okay. How did you get that data set? Did you find it in the Makeover Monday?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So that you need to work on your data set to split the number and the country. Can you do that?
Yeah.
How? Do you know? So
No.
okay, you go to table. Can you go to table 2? What is there in that?
It's just this.
Oh, somebody else is sharing. Stuti, can you share again?
Yeah. Ma'am?
Yeah.
Hi. It's a bit hard. I missed 2 classes.
Yeah.
And I missed out 2 classes and I chose my data set. It's global primary energy consumption by source,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know how to
You don't know how to do it? Okay, let's
Yeah.
do it after the class. I will help you. after covering what I want to cover, maybe I'll put you with Tanuja so that she will help you with some of the things. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank
Okay. So
you.
now that's okay. Oh, okay. So now what you do is go home, go into the home ribbon, and then go into transform data. I'll show you the easy way to separate it, and go to click on transform data. Now go into that table. Okay, so now what is the separator between, if you look at the data, how can you get just the number?
Do you have to choose columns?
You have only one column, right? So what
Yeah.
else what else? Just
Uh,
look in the ribbon and see what button helps you to get your answer.
Split column.
Yes, very good. Yeah, split column. Yeah, click on that. And what do you do?
And by number of characters.
Is it number of characters, or
Oh,
there is a top one by
by
delimiter? By delimiter. What is the delimiter? At the top,
it's
very first one. Yeah, by
yeah,
delimiter, right? So what is the delimiter here in your data?
it's the country number of movies.
No. What is the delimiter? Delimiter means based on what will you split the data. So in the
Oh,
data you have United States, comma, 4200, right? And
yeah.
then in the next one, India, comma, 5100. So if you want to split that by country and number, what will you do? What is the separator?
The comma.
Comma. So that's why you need to give select or enter delimiter. Delimiter, it's already chose that as comma because it is trying to recognize what is there, what this thing is there. Now only
Yeah.
you want to choose only one comma, right? The first comma, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do in the split at? What do you choose?
The comma.
Yeah, that is comma. Next step down, what do you choose?
Each of
Do
these.
you want at each occurrence, or do you want leftmost? Because you want only first comma, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you do? Yeah, leftmost delimiter. Yeah, and then leave it as it is, and then go click OK.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you got the number, right? Now the data type is also a number and this thing. And if you want, you change the name. So one is country, rename the first one, double click on the heading and then rename the first one as country. And then the second one as number of movies.
Yeah.
Okay. And then because you made some changes, now do you need the table 2?
Pardon?
Do you need table 2?
Oh,
Can
it's
you click on
just
that? It's
the
the same,
same
right?
data, but
So you
half
can
of it.
right click and delete. Yeah, you can right click and delete table
Yeah.
2. No, not table 1. Yeah, table 2. Yeah. Right click here on that side. Yeah. Can you right click? You should be able to right click. No? Or
Yeah.
press, yeah? Maybe delete. Click on the delete button. Ah,
Yeah.
yes, delete. Yeah. Now, because you made some changes, you can go and close and apply.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it will close, and then now you can see that it is split. Now you can
Yeah.
easily chart. All your charts will break because your data has changed, right? So
Yeah.
you can now change the you can now change your visualizations with the new columns. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And also I want you to choose another data set.
Yeah.
Because this is very simple, right? It's just number of movies and countries. You can't do much about it, right? So
Yeah.
maybe choose something that has a bit more columns and more rows. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can try your this thing. Okay? And
Yeah.
if you need help, you let me know. I can help you.
Yeah.
Okay? I can sit with you either tomorrow or day after. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Stuti. Okay. Now next one is okay, Diti.
Can you say that again? I didn't hear it.
You didn't hear it. Okay, okay. That's okay. Do you want to share?
Yes, please.
Okay, yeah. Do you share and then show me? Okay, do you want to show me what you have done? Tell about it.
I cannot see it on the class.
You cannot see it.
Yes.
When you're sharing,
It
you
was,
can't see your report. What
yeah.
is your data about?
It is about Jennifer holidays. US holidays.
Oh, US holidays. Okay, okay. Can you go to the data view? The
What?
second icon. Can you go to the data view? The second icon. Yes, Guru. Yeah, you can go next.
I can see it on my laptops.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So if you go to the product, is this
Which
what you
product?
you have a product table, right? Can you go to the
Yeah.
data view and then show me what is there in the product? Column one, column.
Data view.
Yeah, on the left side, you have a button, right? Second button, icon. Not
Item.
that side, opposite side.
Yeah.
Opposite, this side.
Yeah.
There is a small square.
Small square. Yep. I can see it.
Extreme left, extreme left.
Is it this one?
No, no, not that one. This thing, even more
This
left.
one?
No,
Filter
even more,
on
even more.
this
No, no, even more,
page.
even more. No, no, even more. Where your arrow is, back arrow.
Which one back or?
Yeah, still more left. No, no,
Mhm.
not that one. More left. No, 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 not
This
there.
one?
Not, no. Where it says file, can you go at the top file?
Yep, I can go. No problem.
At the top. Where is your mouse? Yeah, and in the same line, come down, there are 4 icons, right? One is report view, the second one is yeah, no, back.
Back. Going to
So
my
click on the back arrow at top, yeah, at the top.
yeah.
Click on the back arrow,
Back.
yeah, and then
Mm-hmm.
click on um, on the square where it says data view. Come down
Data.
a little bit, down. No, not that side. Towards the file side, come down. Down,
This one?
down. Yeah, that one. Table view. Yeah, that one. I just want to see your data. Okay. So that is manufacturer. No, not that one. Can you go to product?
Product.
Second, yeah, on the right side, product, where it says product.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so your data is your column headings are not right, and these are. This is not your data set, right? What was your data set about?
Jennifer Holiday, but my dad put this one.
Oh, okay, okay. So I think you should get your data, the holidays data. Okay?
Yeah, I can go on my files.
Yeah. And then yeah, you can go see that, and then we will work on it after the class, okay? If you need
Yeah.
help. Okay. Thank you, Diti. Guru,
Hi.
link to the databases. Yeah, you can share.
Okay.
I'll give you
um,
Asna.
Asana.
Go 100.
I need help with my. No, I'm just doing it for me.
One
Here is
second.
your link.
Can I just do
Asna.
one thing real
Yeah,
quick?
yeah, no worries. Yeah.
I just need to do a thing, then I'll get back to you.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay, so does anyone else want to share? Divya, I'm going to help you. Tanvi, Pranav, Ruan, Lume.
I need to work on mine a bit more because I need to get the tooltip page and stuff.
Sure, sure. Yeah, no worries. Tanvi, Ria.
Um, I can only see the week 4 video on the WhatsApp one, so I can't see how to make the tooltip page.
Tooltip page. Tooltip page is in week 4.
Oh, okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Tanvi, Asna. Oh, Asna, you lost, right? So Advait, Ria, Samarth. Pranav is working, Guru is working.
I'm working
Sitendra,
too.
sure. Advait is also working. Okay. Okay. Pranav, Tanvi, Kavya, Lume.
Ma'am, I think mine's done. Ma'am,
Yeah. Who's that? Sorry, I am not able
it
to.
was me.
Okay, Guru, you are done. Okay.
So
can't
this time
hear.
I actually improved a bit. I added a title and I put a shadow for it.
Uh,
And then in the map, now you can see with the dots where the
yeah, yeah.
where they're built, where they're
Mm,
located, and you can
mm.
zoom in to check them.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah.
And then over here, I have some of how tall the drop is and where are they built. If I
Mm.
click on the king car, it shows where they're built and everything.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so now the way you can improve is you try to use a tooltip page, and also try to do bookmarks. So for example, and also try to use slicers. I don't think you have used slicers, right?
Yeah,
So you
I was
can
listening to it.
yeah, you can use slicers for, let's say, you are showing first top 14 roller coasters, right?
Yeah.
But actually you are not showing top 14, you are just showing one, right? So what you can do is your roller coasters, the name of it, what you can do is you can turn that into a slicer. So select that, I'll show you. Select that where it says one Falcon's flight.
I actually used a new card on that.
Yeah, okay. So if you use new card, you don't need that particular field in the new card. You can
So
use that as a slicer, and then you can click on it.
how do I do that?
You can remove that from there. First stop, yeah, and then resize the slicer. Sorry, resize the card visual a little bit. Yeah, and then click outside on in the white page, white space. Yeah, and then click on slicer, which is below that, below field map. With a filter, no, just below that, yeah. Click on that. Yeah, now add the that particular column. Not how tall. Yeah, that one. So now if you select one, yeah, if you just select one or multiple, then other data will change. So you need to make sure that your what do you call your you have some space for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Like
Yeah.
I can make it like this big
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then this wide
Yeah.
and this wide.
And then you can talk about it. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. And then okay, so you don't have uh much of data to do tooltips, right?
Yeah. It's just 3 points.
Just 3 points. Mm. Okay. Just thinking. What if you do try this one? Try to do a tooltip for map and then attach that to the how tall. Then you will see where exactly it is.
Wait,
Maybe.
what?
Try to do a tooltip page and include the map and see how it is going to work.
Can you help me a bit? I got stuck in that part.
Yeah. Okay. I will help you. So let me make a note. After what I plan to teach today, then I'll help you. So Guru
Alright,
needs
alright.
help, Nitya needs help. Who else? Satvik, yeah, Satvik, you show me your this thing next. Who else needs help? Sudhendra also needs help. Uh, No, okay. Yeah, whoever needs help can stay back, and then we will we can do that. I think Pranav also might need help if he's not able to do the this thing. Okay, okay. So now, Satvik, do you want to share? Yeah, please share. You have duplicated your data. Yeah, yeah. Srinidhi, I'll help you. Yeah, I have you in my list.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, hi. Okay, so
Can you
your
see
data,
my?
yeah, your data
Yeah,
is,
I chose like Marvel films for my data
Marvel.
set.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah. So did you create any uh yeah,
Yeah,
visualizations? Yeah, okay.
yeah. These are
That's
my visuals.
okay. Okay, so Marvel movie data, sum of budget by film, and okay, so you have max of world gross. Uh, why did you take max of world gross?
Um, like how much money it made. So I thought it would be
Okay, so if you if
good
you
to
if
have.
you choose Avengers, does it change? Can you go Avengers? Can you
Yeah,
click
it
can you
does.
click on
This was the
uh,
max thing. This one over here.
right, right. Okay, because you don't want to see the sum, but you want to see the max.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you want to see both, what you can do is you can use the new card visual and have both max and sum. It's in the
Oh,
last row, last but one row, second one, I think. It says new card. No,
you
that's
car.
just give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah, if you use that new card visual, does it say new card? No, no, not that one, not that one. No, no, no. Come down, down, no, 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 no. It so second column, last but one row. No, not that one. Okay, wait. Is the new card vision? Wait, hold on. Yeah, it should say 1, 2, 3. Okay, you don't have it?
Yeah, I can't see it here, miss.
Oh, it's there. 1, 2, 3, fourth one. Okay, because you have the newer version. Yeah, go to last column, fourth row from the top. Last column, fourth row from the top, below the donut chart, near to pie
Oh,
chart.
okay, yeah, okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
that one.
yeah. Sorry, miss.
Yeah, so wait. Before clicking that, you click on the 2797 and
Mhm.
then change that to 1, 2, 3 lightning bolt. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can add another one in the values, same one, and then one you choose for max, the other one you choose for sum. So go to
So,
data, go click, open your data pane. No, no, right side data pane. At the top, where it says visualizations, yeah,
yes,
open
yes.
that, and then drag the worldwide gross again.
Your world close.
Yeah, yeah, into the value.
Into the value.
Yeah. Now change that to sum. Do you know how to change it? Click on the drop down. Yeah, show val. No, no. Yeah, and then sum. Yeah. Okay. So now rename that to sum. It is already sum, but you need to rename that to sum.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah. Then you can do the formatting. Okay. Sum of year by year.
yeah,
Sum of
I'm
year
still
by year.
working. Yeah, sorry, miss. I'm still working on that, so I'm trying
Yeah, yeah.
to change the
Yeah,
name.
yeah. It's not, you can't do a sum for year because year is not a fact. It's a dimension.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. So you can do a lot of things. So if you missed last class, did you miss last class? No, no.
No, I was there, yeah.
Okay. So try to do a tooltip page. Try to do some bookmarks. Like maybe you can
Okay.
select a movie, and then
Mhm.
that will show analysis of that movie, and then you can save that as a bookmark, and then you can create a bookmark button and then give an action to that.
Mhm.
Okay, so you can do that, or you can create pages and use page navigation, whatever is convenient for you. Okay, so if you do
Okay.
that, and also try to use slicers. Year can be one of the slicers. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, and category also can be one of the slicers. Maybe source. Yeah, more. Yeah, see what dimensions you have, and then you can put couple of three slicers or something like that. You're all doing good,
Mhm.
good visualization. So yeah, that's good. Okay.
Thank you, miss.
Yeah, thank you, Satvik. Okay, now next one. Who wants to show, or shall we? I think we'll go for the class now. Shreyas, did you do anything?
I'm still working on it, miss.
Okay, no worries. Viona, do you want to show? Did you choose a data set?
I told everything away,
Sorry,
but
can't hear
I
you
need to
properly.
finish it.
Okay, okay, no worries. So everyone is finishing. Advait, Pranav, Avisa, did I miss anyone? Srinidhi needs help. Satvik is all good. Kumuda, do you need help?
I don't need help, but can I just show? Cause so can you give me feedback?
Sure, sure, yeah.
Okay.
Tanvi Kavya, have you chosen your data sets? Ria, are you sharing?
I'm just
Yeah.
trying to, but it's not letting me share my. It's not letting me share. Wait, one sec.
Yeah. Or maybe we'll if you're not able to, then maybe we can do it after class. Just try once more.
One sec. My dad's just coming.
Yeah.
Because I need to bring it up.
Ah, okay. You have to. Okay. Okay, Kavya.
Can you see it now?
Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, so this is home. Yeah, okay. Cat fitness in summer and cat fitness in winter. Okay, go there.
This is in summer,
Hmm.
and then if you want to see like the whole data, then you can go in.
Yes, very good.
And
Yeah, I
if you
like the
want to
way you have done the but okay, okay, yeah. The bookmarks. That's good. Okay, so let me have a look at the analysis that you have done. Can you show me?
this is in winter.
Okay, so count of housing, cat one. Okay. Count of diet by cat age. Okay, let's have a look at your data
Excuse
set
me, miss.
after, yes, after the class, Ria. Okay. Okay, who
Um,
wanted to speak? Yeah.
when do we have our competition thingy?
I just want you to be ready. Only then we can decide on the date. It will be maybe if you are all ready. I was actually thinking next week, 16th,
Mhm.
but I don't think you will be ready. Maybe I was thinking maybe March 2nd, if everyone can make it.
Mhm.
Yeah, I want to give you time. I don't want to rush because you have now started your school as well, right? I don't want you to
Yeah.
rush. So we will
Thank
spend as much time as possible with each and every one of you. Make sure you are ready to with your visualizations and you are confident in presenting what you have analyzed. Only then we will have the presentation. Okay?
Yeah, thank you, miss.
No worries. Yeah. Okay, now let's try and learn what something new today, which you can use in your so last week we have covered bookmarks, page navigation, and new slicer, right? The slicer visual. Okay. So now what we are going to do today is what I want to show you today is the capability of AI visuals. There are something called AI visuals in Power BI. Everyone is uh, very keen with AI, right? Everyone wants to learn AI, right? So let's see what Power BI is offering for us to in terms of AI. So here in the visualizations, if you look at these visualizations, you won't know much that these are AI visualizations. But here, if you see, key influencers is one, decomposition tree is one, Q&A is one, and then there is something called narrative. So let's look at these four visuals, okay? So I am just going to, let's say, I'm going to go into a new page. My maps are not working. I don't know why. Come last time it worked. Now it's not working. Anyway. Okay. So here, um, um, I have a blank page, and then here I am trying to, let's say I'll first use the easy one, Q&A. It says Q&A. You can use this button, or you can go into insert ribbon here at the top, and here you see AI visuals. So these four are AI visuals. So let's try and utilize each one of them. So I clicked on Q&A. So it's preparing the Q&A for our use. What is Q&A? Question and answers. So based on your data, if you look at the Q&A, see, based on your data, it's suggesting us some questions to ask. So let's say top countries by budget amount. So if I click on that, then what it's going to do is it's going to create a visual. Create. It should create a visual. Okay, so options, global security. Okay. File, options and settings, options, global security. Okay, use map and okay. So because it's trying to give us map, because it's countries, that's why it says disabled. Okay, let us try again. Okay, so because that is not available, so it's giving us alternative to show as a table. So it has automatically done it. So that's what the example of that's what the advantage of using a Q&A visual. So what you can do now is you can turn this Q&A result into a standard visual. You can click on that. Okay, there is a button just beside the arrow. You can click on that and then that will turn into a visual. So that is your visual. Okay. And if you want to create another one, click on the white space, again go to Q&A, and now it's suggesting you more. What is it suggesting? Top genres by budget amount. That's a good analysis. So I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to top genres 1. It says 1. Maybe we can say 10. Okay, so it's going to give us 10 genres by budget amount. Top one, not top 1, top 3 maybe we can say.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
The Q&A is not showing up on my screen for some reason.
Have
I
you
mean-
have you enabled this one? Okay, so everyone, please enable. If you go into your file and then options and settings, is everyone doing that?
Yes.
And then options. And here in the security, you need to click on security and then make sure you have enabled use map and filled map visuals. Application window for okay, and then click on OK. Did everyone do that?
Yep.
Yes, no? Anyone who did not do it? Ruan, shall I tell again? Okay, maybe I'll tell you again. Go to File, and then once you click on File, at the bottom, just above About, there is Options and Settings. And in the Options and Settings, you will see Options. So click on the Options. And in the Options, you click on Security, where it says Security, Data Load, Power Query Editor, Direct Query, R scripting, Python scripting. After that, security. Click on that. And then when you come down to where it says map and filled map visuals, and then you click on the use map and filled map visuals, and then click on OK. Then you should be able to see the Q&A visual. So now click on Q&A visual. Is everyone able to see? Go to insert ribbon and then click on Q&A visual.
Yes.
So you are able to see? Okay. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'm
Yeah.
still not able to see.
Otherwise, you are not able to see. So can you go click on insert and then click on Q&A?
No. I
Uh,
can't see it.
You can't see insert?
No, I can see insert, but I can't see Q&A in it.
Okay. So if you can't see Q&A in it, there is a button here. You can use that. But
Okay.
you make sure you are clicking on the white space in your report and then do it.
Okay.
Okay? Can you try?
Okay.
Hey, ma'am.
Yes?
I'm having the same problem, but the thing is that I can see the other three.
Other three, but maybe Q&A has been disabled, okay, because you have downloaded. Okay, let's forget about Q&A then. Yeah, Q&A, I think they disabled it, so don't worry about that. Let's try key influencers, okay? So I'm just going to click on key influencers, and here, what does a key influencer do? So what we are trying to do is, let's say I have movie data, and in the movie data, what is my fact? So if I open this one, what do you think is my fact? We had discussions earlier, right? So based on our earlier discussions, what are my facts and what are my dimensions? Can you tell me? Count is fact. Yes, that's very good. Apart from count, is there anything else? Yeah, budget amount is fact. Very good, Ovisa. So what we will try is always analyze. So here, if you click on the key influencer visual, see what you are seeing here. So here you are seeing analyze. So you want to analyze a fact and explain by dimensions. That's what you want to do. So I want to analyze my budget amount. So my budget amount by, let's say, my actor, maybe director name can be my, what do you call? Director name can be my dimension. And also could be language. Okay. And if you want, you can put movie title. I don't want to put movie title. I can put maybe title here first. And what influences budget here? No, but I don't want to summarize it. Don't summarize, I will say. Then it won't have any. Okay, so let's say number of critics, director Facebook likes, okay? Sum of Facebook likes. So, and then let's say maybe duration also might be a influencer. So duration is influencing. So here, how do we read this key influencer visual is what influences budget amount to increase. So when the average of budget amount increases, when sum of duration goes up by 87 minutes, I think, maybe 87 minutes, the average budget amount increases by 35.43 million. Okay. Similarly, when when director Facebook likes goes up to the 3,155, then the average budget amount will increase by 4.9 million. And if we want to expand that, let's say, because we use sum of director Facebook likes, we can expand by director name. If we can do that, then it's going to expand. So if you go here, then it's going to show a scatter plot of which director has has many likes and what is their budget amount. Okay, can you understand what it is? So now it's showing increase. Let's say I am going to say decrease. So now sum of duration, if it is 87.5, then decreases by 35.43. Languages, if language is German, then the budget amount decreases. Something like that. If title year is 1989 or less, the budget was small. So like that. Does it make sense? Let me check the chat.
Yeah.
Did everyone understand, or shall I explain once more? Okay, did everyone understand? Explain once more. Okay, Asna. Okay.
Think
Okay,
we
so
got it.
yeah. Okay, I'll explain once more. Let's try and use another one. Or this one. I'll try do it again, okay? Okay, so now in order to do key influencers visuals, so click on the key influencers, and then you can do three things here. It's not x-axis or y-axis, it's three things. We are going to analyze by a fact. So for example, our facts are budget amount, or there is, I think, there is duration as well. Maybe somewhere, not duration, a gross amount or something like that. And also there is count. So what I have taken is, I want to analyze my budget amount. So I drag my budget amount there. And then I want to explain by director likes, sum of director likes, and also sum of duration. And what else? And maybe I don't know whether it matters. Maybe IMDb score. I won't explain why, but I want to expand. Yeah, I want to, and also year. Let's say title year, but I don't want that to be summed, because if you sum title year, it doesn't make sense. So I'm just trying to explain by year. And because I use director Facebook likes and Facebook likes, I want to expand by director name. Okay. So director name, expand by director name. So if I do that, so for example, so now it's clearly showing key influences. What are the key influences? Duration. If the duration goes up, the average budget amount will also go up, increase. Okay. If the director Facebook likes, if people have liked the director's movies, then the budget amount that is spent for making the movie also goes up. So that's the prediction. It's incurring from the data that we have given here. Okay. So and if we click on one, if we expand, only if we expand it, it will come. So if you click on one, it's going to show you what is the duration and what was the sum of budget and things like that. And also here, because we have given expand by, by director. So here sum of director likes, and then it will give you the budget amount. What is the correlation? Okay, and this is for increase, and you can change it and see what is the this thing for decrease as well. Okay, so that also is there. And also here there are two tabs. One is key influencers, the other one is top segments. So there is only one segment at the moment. Sometimes for some data, you can have 4 or 5 segments where the data is segmented to 5 segments, and then they call it segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, or we can rename them as low, high, medium, and things like that. So that is what is key influences is. Did you all understand? Bhavya, Lume? It's a bit high topic for maybe year 7. It's a bit hard to understand. But if you need me to explain more, or if you think of how to apply this in your data set, we can discuss that later. Okay? Yeah, that's good, Tanvi. Okay, so now, okay, so that is key influencers. I'm renaming this as key influencers. Okay, so now next one is decomposition tree. That is also something similar. So again, it'll have the same thing. So analyze, let's say, budget amount again. Analyze our fact by, you can give by duration and by director, by director name maybe. Also maybe language, maybe title year. So if we add that, and then if we expand this one, so what will happen is it's going to explain. So here there is a plus, if you noticed. So this is our budget amount, entire budget amount. And then choose how to split your data. So because we have given 4 explain by, you can choose whether high value or low value. And then you can go what is high. So English movies are high. So after that Korean, after that Japanese. So like that, it has all the languages that it shows from high to low, because I chose high. Okay. And now from here, what you can do is, let's say if you want to analyze all the English movies, so you can go plus here and then go again high value, and then it will show duration, because duration is in the next line. Title year. Okay, it is showing title year. So title year, what was the budget amount spent in each of the years? So 2010 is the high, and then followed by 2013, 12, 14, like that. And again, if we go to high value, now it gives duration. So 90 minutes duration in 2010 was the budget spent was that much. So like that, it goes on till we finish all the columns that we have given. So Anurag Basu is the director who who has the highest duration and highest budget amount spent in year 2010. So that's how you can, and the movie was in English. Okay. So like that, you can analyze. It's decomposition tree. It's like a tree. See, it's like a tree. Now, if we go here, that will change, that link will change, and the data also changes. If you go here, so Korean director name is this, and then the year in which he spent more is 2006, and the duration is 110. Okay, followed by this person in Korean movies. Okay, and if you go Japanese, so these are the ones. Okay, so like that, you can easily decompose your data. Okay, so that's called decomposition tree. Now, did you all understand? Shall I explain again? And also just give me a minute. I'll just Switch on the light. Okay, did you all understand? Yes, understood. Okay, very good. Okay, Lumi, everyone understood? Okay. Okay, so now the last one is a very interesting one. So what you can see is, maybe I'll just use my director page here. And this works, this is called narrative. It's called smart narrative visual. What this does is, it gives you a narrative of all the visuals that are there in that page. So for example, if I go, I'm making sure that I'm clicking on the white space, and then I'm clicking on narrative. So it just asks Copilot, don't use Copilot, just go custom. And then see, it summarizes for you. Number of movies was highest for 2009 at 260 duration, followed by 2014 and 2006, because we have given number of movies here. And then 2009 accounted for 5.16% of number of movies. Across all 92 title years, number of movies range from 1 to 260. So, and also this one, this narrative changes when you say, let's say, for example, I'm just giving as Steven Spielberg. So it changes as per the this thing. So the top 5 title year all had number of movies as 2. And across all 21, number of movies range from 1 to 2. Yeah, something like that. It automatically summarizes. So you can use that to summarize your data. And then, yeah, that way you can utilize this one. So this, but make sure it is correct. If you want, you can do some changes a little bit. Okay. So that is what is smart narrative. So you try to use smart narrative, and if you can use in your data, if you have good data, if you want to find key influencers, you can try and use key influencers, and then you can explain what key influencers visual is doing. And also, if you want to, if you have, I like this one for this data. So decomposition tree, you can see what amount was spent, and for example, in English, what was the who was the director who spent, and then which year was the maximum was spent, and things like that, right? So you can do that. Okay. So you can dynamically do that. So while talking, you can do that. You can do and explain. So yeah, and also it's better for you to have decomposition tree by itself on a page. And let's see if narrative works here. I haven't tried earlier. No, it doesn't work. Doesn't work with the decomposition tree, so don't put it. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you today. So everyone, did everyone understand? How many AI visuals did we go through today?
4.
4. But Q&A, because it's not working for you, don't use Q&A. It's only 3 now. Okay. And 3 will be, can you name them? It's all in there. Yeah, it's showing key influencers, decomposition tree, and narrative. Okay.
Um,
Yes.
um, in my data, like I feel like the data I've chosen, I can't really do the
Yes, you
key
can't do much. Yeah, yeah. That's what I wanted to discuss. That's why I said we will talk after the class. So yeah, we will chat after the class, Ria.
Thank you.
Very good,
Miss,
Louis. Yes, Rin. Who's
So,
that?
Pranav.
Pranav, yeah.
Yeah, I still can't get the sign in because my dad said he can't use his work account.
Okay, still can't get the sign in. For your maps, is it?
For like the bookmarks, everything.
Bookmarks you can just cancel, right? How many bookmarks do you have?
I
Uh,
I haven't put any bookmarks in yet.
okay, so you like how Visa did, you put the bookmarks and then let's say, for example, if you have, let's say 4 bookmarks, you have to click cancel 4 times or 5 times, and then you can continue. You can still do that, and then once if when you are ready to present, what I'll do is I'll open from my this thing, and then you can present. Okay.
Okay.
Or
Yep.
I'll upload it in such a way that you won't have that problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. And next class, mostly we will try and improve your reports. So try to do your visuals, and if you need any help, I will be available online tomorrow as well as day after. So feel free to message in the group. One of us will be there, either Tanuja will be there or me or Medha will be there. So please try to utilize and then try to get your visualizations as much um, um, polished as possible. Then based on that, we will decide whether we will have the competition either on 16th or on 2nd, because the um, the judges can't make on 23rd. Okay, so I don't think I'm not seeing that you will be ready by 16. So let's get ready by 2nd. Okay. Okay. So now, is everyone participating in the competition? Yeah, if the Q&A is working, Srinidhi, you can go for it. Not a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruan can't. Okay, no problem. Okay, Ruan. Okay, who don't want to present? I would like to know. Very good, Lume. Yeah, you should try. Okay. And who else? Ruan doesn't want. So everyone else is going to try, right? Tanvi, Kavya. Very good, Kavya. Okay, so Stuti, I'm going to discuss with you as well. You need to try and look for some other data. Satvik already showed me Samarth. Maybe Tanvi. Kavya is going to try, so you need to try too. Okay. Okay, so okay, so now whoever wants to stay back, whoever has doubts can stay back. I will stop the recording and then we will continue the class for whoever wants clarity. Others may leave.